Alright, hi guys, so this is my little slideshow of my DIY filter system. Basically, if you guys need more detail of the drawing, the plan, and the material list, please leave me a comment below with your email address. I will forward it to you. And so this is my platform I built out of 2x4, and this is using the old desk top panel to make the floor there, and 3-barrel 30 gallons barrel. And it's the drill and the hole saws for the uniseal. So you see the happy face there. I made a little boo-boo there, but this is the barrel drilled out. So these are the vent pipe screen, 2-inch. I'm using these for my drain strainer. So I'm using some hot glue to fill up some big gaps, so to stop the media from falling through. And I attached to this 2-inch elbow for the bottom drain. So here's the setup of my barrels after all the uniseals are installed. And this is my overflow pipe. I cut them in 3/8 gaps alternately from one side to the other. So this is how all my barrels set up together. With my overflow was 7.5 inches in length. That's my top overflow drain there. Got a strain on top. So this is the cuttings for my cleaning manifold. So these are 1/2-inch PVC and drilled with 7/16 drill bit at 3/8 spacing. Okay, so this is all my setup right now. So everything inside the barrels are friction fit, no solvent gluing on anything. So this is the adapter for my cleaning manifold. So all glued together and attached to the 1/2-inch PVC there, so I can attach my sub vac pipe in there. So this is my final setup. Need some more hoses for the UV light. And now I'm going to be running the water test. So right now I'm just using the garden hose to do the test because it is still cold outside and the fish is still hibernating at the bottom. I don't want to disturb them yet, so I haven't dropped the pump down to the pond yet. Which I will do it later. We look at the right side. That's a 1.5-inch hose there, pipe there. That'll be my pump will be hooked up to pump the water into the system. And the left side here I have the 2-inch pipe going down to the pond. That'll be my output, my outlet. That's the water coming out from the filter system and discharged back to the pond. So it's filling up the first barrel right now. So you notice here that this is the vent screen I used to put on the top here as an overflow. Then over here, then barrel number 3, and for the inlet, I'll just put the 2-inch elbow going sideways. And for the bottom drain, again, 2-inch elbow with a screen at the bottom there, just to stop the media from coming out. So, and then placing it downward, just like that. And here's my 5-inch air stone. Okay, it's filling up slowly. As the water reaches up here, will overflow down to this pipe, go to number 2. Then, and when it fills up here, then it goes overflow here, it goes down to barrel number 3. Coming up. So you notice I have the inlet pointing sideways, so it will make the water flow clockwise, and it blowing sideways instead of blowing to the bottom. Oh, right now you see the water overflow to this drain and down to barrel number 2 right there. So same idea, it's pointed sideways, so it doesn't flow directly to the bottom of the barrel where maybe accumulated dirt and sediment on the bottom there. Wait for a bit to get this one filled up. Alright, now the water's filling up to barrel number 2, to the top drain. Now you can see the water flowing to barrel number 3 through this pipe. That's number 3. Turn this one up a little bit. Okay. Like that. Alright, so no water leaking out on the first barrel. Oh, this Uni-Seal works perfectly. Love it. Make it so easy. Number 1 barrel is good, no leaking. This pipe, good. Barrel number 3, the water is good. Uni-Seal holes are pretty good. No leaking. Okay, I'm gonna shut off the water now. I don't want too much water going down to the pond. On our side, show you. So I got this one running along there. So I want it to be more in the middle of the pond, not where my skimmer entry is. So going down there, just let that bounce. Well, I haven't got the king-free flexible hose to hook up my UV yet. So as right now, I turn up all the valves just to keep the water from going out or back down to the pond. I do have a check valve on the outside there by the, let's see, by the frog there with the rock with the stainless steel clamps. Those are my clamps for the check valves. Okay, now as the water shut off, it drain all the way down to the bottom. This one's still going. This one's done. Our next test, I'm gonna turn on this air stone for my moving bed. My air pump. So for my air stone right there, this will be used for my moving bed. Just like that. Hopefully will be good enough, strong enough to keep the media moving in this barrel. And this is the 4 watt 6.8 liter per minute air pump. Well, I tried the 2 watt one like Mr. Righty from UK mentioned, but it didn't really work well on my 5-inch stove, so I got this bigger one, 4 watt 6.8 liter per minute. So hopefully this will do the job. I don't see a lot of bubbles coming up, but hopefully we'll keep the media circulating not crazily in this barrel. Alright, that's for that moving bed air circulation. Next, I'm going to be testing these 2 barrels for the cleaning manifold. As I have a shop vac right here, so I'm going to plug it in and try. Plug it in. Okay, now I'm going to change this to the blower side. That's for vacuum. This is for the blower. Alright, now I'm going to hook it up here. So I use one at a time, so I turn up this side. Barrel number 1 is up right now. Let's do 1 first and 2. Okay, this barrel number 1. Let's start with barrel number 1. With barrel number 2 valve shut off. Okay. I think this will be powerful enough to clean up all the media of the barrel. Alright, so that's it for now. Next step, I'm gonna hook up my UV lights and my pump. Then I will add some media, biomedia is in here. So this barrel I'm gonna put K1, this one will be K2, and this one will be K1. So I'll see you next time.